Welcome my fashion lovers to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to make Ankara shirts for men. We're going to use Ankara to make it, but we're going to make it in form of senator's wear using Ankara fabric to make it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Keep supporting your girl on this journey. Please click the subscription button and subscribe. Without wasting much of your time, let's begin. We are going to make use of the widest body measurement to cut out the width of the shirt. The widest body measurement, either the tummy or the chest. In this case, the tummy is the biggest measurement. The tummy is the biggest measurement, and the tummy here is 40 inches to cut the width. The tummy here is 40 inches, so I'm going to make use of 40 for the tummy. That is the biggest measurement to cut out the width. I've already cut it out. It's on fold. The front and the back is on fold. The front and the back is on fold. The front and the back, using the biggest part of the body, the upper body, to cut the shirt. And the length for the front, I'm making use of 35 inches. I'm making use of 35 inches plus 2 inches sewing allowance, that is 37. And for the back is going to be 4 inches longer than the front. The back, your measurement for the back should be 4 inches longer than the front. Okay, let's go over to the cutting. We're going to begin the cutting by measuring the shoulder, but make sure that they are equal at the top. Make sure that they are equal at the top. Make sure that they are equal at the top. And the down parts, the back is longer than the front for the down parts. Then at the upper side, make sure that they are equal. Now we are going to cut our shoulder. We are going to cut our shoulder. We are cutting it together. We are going to measure 2 inches. 2 inches for the shoulder. 2 inches for the shoulder. Connect it to the neck. For the shoulder slants, we are doing it together with the back and the front. 2 inches. For the shoulder slants. Now we're going to cut that is for the shoulder. And after cutting, make sure you pull the back again, pull the front to meet with the back, pull the back, to meet with the Put the front to meet with the back. Make sure that they are equal. Equal are the down parts. Then for the front, you're going to measure 1/2 inch. You're going to measure 1/2 inch. You're going to measure 1/2 inch. Measure 1/2 inch and fold over. Fold it over to meet the 1/2 inch. After folding over to the 1/2 inch that we measured, fold over to the 1/2 inch. After folding over with 1 inch, we are going to mark the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement I'm working with is 17. Divided by 2 will give me 8.5. I'm going to add 1/2 inch for the sleeve joining, making it 9 inches for the shoulder. And whatever you have here, 9, use it as your sleeve length. Use it as your sleeve length. So I'm going to mark 9 here. I'm going to mark 9 as my sleeve length. Whatever you have on the shoulder, use it as your sleeve length. Let's cross check. All right, let's mark the neck measurement. I'm making use of 2.5 for the neck width. You can make use of 3 depending on how your customer's neck is. I'm making use of 2.5 for the width, and for the length, I'm going to make use of 4 inches for the neck. And you're going to connect. When you connect, make sure, use your tape and make sure is what you're working with, the neck measurement you're working with. I'm working with 16. I have to make sure that is okay. After marking your neck measurements, make sure you raise the front. Do not cut it together. Raise the front and cut. After cutting, you can open it up and measure the back. Measure your back of 1 inch. For the back of 1 inch, and connect. Then cut it out. Then we're going to take the sleeve measurements. We're going to take the sleeve measurements. That is 9. Half of 9 is 4.5. 4.5. We're going to come in with by 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch, and connect. You're going to take your chest measurements. The chest measurement I'm working with is 38 divided by 4. 38 divided by 4 will give us 9. 9/1/4. We're going to take 2 inches sewing allowance. Then you connect. If you have your armhole curve, you can make use of your armhole curve. Connect. From there, you take the measurements down. Straight skirts. Take the measurements down. And cuts. We are going to cut together the front and the back together. And this is how to cut our senator shirt. Very simple. If you have any question, please go to the comment section and ask your question. And please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.